it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and boy do I have a lot to go over about this painting. This is a post review, and I will stick the unboxing of the girl and the elephant right up here for you. But this was the inventory sheet, and then I printed the photo out a little bit bigger. Okay, now I received this painting before I came up with this review sheet. So I went back and filled out the sheet, and I'm going to quick go over the unboxing star rating. So this is the girl and the elephant. It is a 40 by 50. It's square, full coverage from AliExpress. Seller store name is that Goang. It was $13.24. It was on sale, normally $15.68. I purchased it on August 31st. They shipped it on September 2nd, received it September 25th. So it's 26 days of shipping. I don't know exactly how long it took me to finish because I did not write down when I started. But I did finish this morning at 4 o'clock a.m. And in case you're wondering, I did not stay up all night to do this. I only had maybe 2 or 3 colors left in the corner. Yesterday, I just hit the struggle bus. I came home, I helped put dinner in the oven because we do have a couple meals that are being delivered since my husband's down and I'm working so much. And then after we ate, I just laid down for a few minutes and around 7:30, and I was out till midnight. Then I woke up and let the dog out, and that cold air, because we're here in Michigan, woke me up, and so I had like a second wind. So I watched some news, piddled around the house a bit, and then finished the painting. So I am obsessed with diamond painting, but not enough on a work night to stay up till 4 o'clock. So all that to say, let's dive into this review sheet. So it does have 28 colors, if I didn't say. Everything was here. So the rating I gave it for the unboxing was 3.7 stars. And the reason it was so low is, first of all, the canvas quality. Look at, this is even after I drilled, after it was flattened out. You know, it's bubbled here on the other side. I did the best that I could. This is like a solid wrinkle. And yes, I know many of you have said try ironing. With my house, I barely have a flat surface to my name. So unless I want to throw this in the dryer and pretend it's ironing it, I'm waiting till this weekend to like get my life back together, because it has been one HE double hockey sticks of a ride. So anyway, this was wrinkled. The canvas quality, like it's all frayed on the sides. It's like a cheaper canvas. So I gave it a half a star. Drills, I gave it a quarter of a star instead of a full star. All the quantity was there. However, through the packaging, I could tell it was going to be oily. The numbers on the packaging were hard to see. Shipping time, I gave it a quarter of a star. For every, I'd say like a week, it's over the 21-day mark, I take off a quarter of a star. Advertising, did I get the product? Yes, I did get a 40 by 50. Yes, I did get all the drills. So I gave it a full star. Overall impression, would I buy it again? Probably, I don't know. I loved the photo, but when I saw the drills, and I'll show you in a minute, this face legitimately in the picture is like a human color, right? Like that peachy human colored skin. And this by the elephant is orange and yellow. These were the same 2 colors. So when I started doing her face was yellow. I mean, literally yellow, and I'll show you in a minute. So when I opened and I saw that, I was like, I don't know if I'd buy this one again, because I did a lot of manipulation work. Okay, so let's get down to business, right? Here's the great reveal. Okay, so this through the camera looks absolutely gorgeous, right? But these colors are a lot lighter in person. Obviously, diamond paintings are meant to be from a distance. If I were to do this again to like frame, I would probably go one step up in size because of the detail. This arm was this yellow color right here, and this face was this yellow-orange color again right here. And I tried, I just couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't do it. So what I did is I got my trusty storage out, and I just basically looked for colors that were skin toned and that looked good together. So I ended up finding color 754, and I replaced the light yellow with that, and I used 422, which I don't have, like I have 4 left and they're oily. I used this for the darker yellow to create the shading. So while I have you on camera, I'm going to put these back. But yeah, it kind of pays to have this and just have that flexibility of if you don't like it, if you get a sense of what you would like, try it. I mean, worst case scenario, you're going to use up the glue around it, and I have to put some of this stuff away. You're going to use up the glue around it, and then you have like aqua glue, you know, or super glue or something like that. Yeah, my dog did a zombie and broke this off of here. I'm like, seriously, it's literally broke. You can't fix it. Crazy, I know. Crazy, crazy. So anyway, I went through and changed her hand, which I had to do a little bit of surgery here because this finger went like all the way up here. It was like a foot long in ratio. I did change out all of this to be that peach color. And then the mouth even, all of this was red, and it's supposed to be, so leftover drills I have to put away. It's supposed to be kind of this little glow with a little black line. So I went through, and the best I could, because they're square, tried to make at least some sort of mouth on her. Another thing, because I was doing this half in the dark, I don't know how Ella does it. I wasn't at my desk. And I just threw my hands up in the air. I didn't go get washi tape. So this is all sticky with whatever shirt or sweater I was wearing. However, I am going to cut it off anyway once I seal it, so not a big deal. I do have a video I'm going to do coming up. I don't know if it'll be 1 or 2 weeks from now, or if I get, you know, super savvy, maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Where I will show you how I'm storing these now in a portfolio, which I got the idea from Stitcherista. I'm going to put her portfolio video right here for you. And I love it. I'm absolutely in love with it. So, but yeah, let's take you through. So just some of the details were 4 of the colors out of the 28 were oily drills. The drills were concaved, unbelievable. There were holes in the drills, tags in the drills. A big portion of this where the sticky, like where the bubbles and stuff were, no matter what I did, the glue was not sticking. And then the drills this drove me crazy. We're all different sizes. So if I were to bring this up close to you, there's no way I could get it super straight if you're OCD. Because you had small drills, big drills. I mean, some of the drills were like off kilter. They weren't even straight. They were like, and they did not, I mean, they gave me some extras, but one of these colors, I was scared I was going to run out of. Let me see. This 8 color. There's other colors mixed in there, but there's probably like 6 of them. And part of that is I was using some of them to fill in. let's see here. Gotta stick these back in order. It's gonna drive me crazy. The other ones were okay, but if I were too nitpicky, I would not have had enough. I mean, I probably have maybe 30 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. The rest probably 50 to 100 extra. Black for sure, I have a lot of extra. This 3822, I have a ton of extra because that was all going to be the face and the arm, and I didn't use that. And I have a lot of this 720 because they also used orange in the arm and in the face, which I took out and put those different colors in. Long-winded way of saying, for canvas glue, which is complete stick or slippery, rivers, bubbles, etc., I gave half a star. Symbol clarity, 1 full star. I always knew where I was going with it, even in the dark. Drill quality and quantity, I gave half a star for the reasons I just disclosed. Design success, I gave it 3/4 of a star because I had to fix a bunch of this stuff. I didn't dock it more because I knew the amount of detail in this photo. You probably would have needed another size bigger. It's not the photo's fault. It's just a very detailed painting. And from a distance, it looks cute. Like through the lens, I'm sure like I really like it, what I'm seeing on the screen. I do like the colors too. They were very vibrant. And then the experience, I gave 3/4 of a star because I had to deal with the different drills, the face change, the arm change. I don't know what's happening with this shirt. It kind of runs into, like through the camera, it looks like there's a cohesive line right there. But in person, this actually all merges together. So definitely this one is one to look at from a distance. So that's a total of 3.5 stars. If you combine 3 3/4 and 3.5, you get 3.63 stars. So anything below a 4, I probably won't buy in the future, if that makes any sense at all. So let me put these back in here as far as that's concerned. So basically I need to seal this, cut the sides off, and washi tape it inside my portfolio. And I need to put my extra drills away. So I still have a lot to do on this painting, but I wanted to give you a post review, keep you up to date on the girl with the elephant, and that it is now done. So I have no idea what project I'm going to do next. I love my green peacock or teal peacock. It's the video, a couple videos before this. I'll put the eye here. I'm kind of drilling over that. But then in a day or two, I'm expected to receive something that I need to do in like 2 weeks in time for Christmas as a gift for my niece. So I don't know. I've got to start one painting because I always have to have one going on. But I have not decided which one it's going to be. So stay tuned so that you can see maybe my work in progress coming up and figure out what did Jennifer with DP Addiction start on next. So until next time, be blessed, and I hope you have a fabulous evening. Take care.